4th attempt. Anyways, hello guys. We're gonna learn tables. Before I teach you tables, I'm gonna show you how to upload it. How to upload. No, not upload. How to, like, if you're using Notepad or anything, then this will be useful. So what you want to do is in your Notepad, go to just make an HTML file, do File, and then save it. Okay, so it should show this, and then put HTML document. If you're in Notepad, use all files. If you're using Notepad++, do HTML hypertext markup language, and the file name is going to be tutorial.html, tutorial3.html. Okay, always end it with an HTML. Save it, and then you should get it somewhere. I already have this, and it's probably under here. Let's see, I'm gonna full screen this. Is tutorial 3 in here? I'm gonna find it in here. By the way, I have Windows 10. Tutorial 3.html. I don't know what I named it. What is it? Tutorial 3.html. Well, yeah. It should show somewhere on the screen. If you have a coding stuff screen, it should show somewhere, but I don't know if this is it. Maybe. Okay. Anyways, it should appear somewhere, and then it should, yeah, that was before, but it should, sorry, it should appear somewhere in the computer, so yeah, you can find it yourself. But I have this editor, and you can click preview to see it. So let's start by making a table. So to start off doing a table, put the table tag. And let's start off a table row. So this is the start of a table row. If you want the table to have a border, put border. What was it? Equals, I think, 3px. Okay, and then I'm gonna make these on separate lines. And then to make the table heading, what you want to do is, sorry for the noises in the background. That's just my mom coming back.
She said fine.
Yeah. So, anyways, let's continue. So, can you be quiet? Okay. Anyways, so this is like the table title. So I'm gonna make it day 1, and let's just do day 2. Okay, so let's do another row. Let's put TR. Let's put a little message. I programmed HTML, and then wait, no, it's not TD. It's TD. I mean, sorry. So yeah, here we can also do more TD. I programmed JavaScript, and if you want to see what that looks like, see, it looks pretty cool. When you get more into tables, you can, like CSS, you can learn how to style this. So we could even make it with no borders if you want to see. This is what it looks like, but I personally like it with borders. Equals, you can do 2px. That's probably my favorite. There's also the table. There's also more properties than just border. There's cell spacing, and let's just do. So I'm going to show you what. Okay, 1px doesn't make a difference, but if you want to see 100, I think it'll make a huge difference. I'm not sure. Yep, see, this is how much is in between every cell. So yeah, that doesn't look good. I'm gonna stick with 10. Okay, this looks okay. And then we can put cell padding. I think that's how big the cells are. Oh, well, yeah, equals 5px. I like that. And we can even do background, I think, equals green. I'm not sure. Nope. Or maybe it's background color equals green. I'm not sure. Well, if you want to make a background color, go to the next lesson, because next lesson is CSS. Yeah, CSS. So yeah, I think that's it for tables. If you want to, I'm gonna do a bit more. TH and day 3, and then I can also add I program CSS. And if you want to see what that looks like, it looks exactly the same. This is what a table is. And now, I won't end the video just yet. So what we're going to do is make a huge project together. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so what have we learned so far? Well, let's make a title, obviously. So, H1. I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it like a flight, website. Sorry. So yeah, so let's go airborne plus academy, and let's underline this by putting the U and also at the end. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like that. I don't want it centered. It doesn't look that good centered. Okay, now we have that. We're gonna add a paragraph. Join over 1 million people who choose to, and then I'm gonna make a line break. Stay with Airborne Plus. Nah, I don't like Academy. Sounds like too educational. Okay, Airborne Plus. Yeah. Okay. So let's also add period. Okay. So, and then I'm gonna make a link. Ahref. That auto completed, so sorry I couldn't type it. But no. So I'm gonna make a list at the top. So so let's make a list. This is like, actually I'm gonna indent this. So I'm gonna make a list at the top by putting, this is an unordered list, and yeah, I think I already told you. Let's make an unordered list. Lee, home, and then we also have another Lee, help. Okay, so for now we're going to Ahref equal, there we go. So we're going to just put this. This just brings you to the top of the page if you didn't know. So yeah. And then we're going to put this to home. And we're gonna put and we're gonna this to help. So it looks like this so far. Looks pretty good. Also, let's also add another heading, except it's gonna be H3. Let's see what we should add. Hello, no. Lights. Yeah, okay, so flights, what we're going to do here is we're gonna like do the time, so make a table. So let's make a table, table tag, and let's put TR. Okay, so in here, let's make us put TH, China, let's put let's just do 3 for now, it's an example, and USA, okay? So let's make another row. I think there's also row span, and there's also col span. I'll show you that now. Well, yeah, I will just a minute. So TD, and then I'm gonna do row span equals 2, because China and Canada, I guess, are the same thing. 5 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. Yes. Oh, I remember. Let's make a border. Table border. And also I'm going to change the cell spacing. So table border equals 2px. Cell spacing equals 3. And cell padding equals, let's say, just 5. Let's see what that looks like. I'm not sure why this doesn't work. Well, next lesson I'll show you the row spans. Like, yeah. So, and let's just get rid of this. We don't, we're just learning the basics of tables. So, also let's add another TD, 2 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock a.m. That's the times. And finally, 12 o'clock a.m. to 3 o'clock a.m. So I guess this looks pretty good. And also, let's add one last thing. And let's also make this underline. Okay, so add this. The best flight site ever. Okay. No, wait, no. Let's italic this. Oops, there we go. So yeah, so this is a simple website. you should be able to make. Also, the last thing I'm going to make is one last thing. Let's add another paragraph. Why not join today? Sign up now. Okay, and then this is just a JavaScript thing. Input type. Okay, so if you're wondering what this is, there's nothing you need to know. Input type equals prompts. Value equals, input type equals prompt. And as you can see, you can type stuff in there. And then finally, let's just put in H3 that says sign up. So yeah, that is the thing. It's really cool. And let's also add this paragraph and put email. Okay, and see, look, perfecto. So yeah, by now you should be able to create a site like this. And with the next lesson, I'll show you how to style all this, because this, look, it's just black and white. How sad. If you just want to use HTML but you want to make a background color, what you could do is just background color. I don't remember how I set the background color with HTML, but most people like using CSS as making the background color. Also, you can make background images with CSS, and yeah, so see ya, this is what the website looks like, and it looks pretty good for your first website. So yeah, enjoy the next part. See you later.